This is not just a change of administration, but a wholesale change of approach. Pace will be the hallmark of our work. Our principles will be our guides as we seek practical solutions to the issues faced by people and communities the length and breadth of our country. A government for all the people of Wales, answerable only to the people of Wales. In opposition, I published plans for the first 100 days in office, treating the prospect of governing with a seriousness and deep sense of responsibility that deserves. That preparedness now stands this government in good stead. We will begin the work in earnest as a united team